Hello and welcome to RLRXL Network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing video I will teach you how you can create a beautiful and attractive water drop chart in Excel 2019. As you can see on my screen, I have already made this, and in this video I will teach you how you can create this amazing chart from yourself very easily. So before wasting any extra time, let's learn. And before starting this video, if you did not subscribe my channel still, so please subscribe it quickly, because I always try to make the useful videos for you so that you can become an Excel expert easily. Alright, so let's learn and start. And to make this chart I will use this data which I already used, and I have taken the name of 3 MIS, which is Rajesh, Varun and Sanjit, and what they are getting the score is mentioned over here. So I will just select my complete data and press Ctrl C to copy this, then add a new worksheet over here and then paste it. Alright, now I need to remove this grid line, so I will just go to View tab, then remove this. Alright, then I need a support column to make this chart look like, so I will just use press is equal to, then type 1 means 100%, then minus the score. Now you can see the rest score is like this one. Alright, now to make this chart I will just select the first MIS data and then go to insert tab and take the first one, second one as stacked column chart like this one. After taking this chart, click on switch row to column, then it will looks like this, and then change the axis from 0 to 100. So I will right click on it, format axis, and take this 0 for minimum and 1 for means 100% for maximum. Alright, now I need to make this width as 0, so I will just right click on it, go to format data series and make this gap width as 0. Alright, now resize it according to your requirement like this one. Now I do not need to show this axis, so I will just click on plus button, then remove the axis and remove the grid lines. Alright, now I do not need to show this shape fill and outline, so I will just select this, go to format, shape fill as no fill and shape outline as no outline. Alright, now the first chart is created for Rajesh. Now I need to create for Varun and for Sanjit. So what will I do? I will just make the copy for another one. So I will just select this chart and make the duplicate, press Ctrl D. Make the duplicate for Sanjit. Alright, now you can see the 3 means all chart is for currently Rajesh, so I need to change this chart for Vanu. So how will I do? I will just select the second chart, complete chart. Whenever you will select the complete chart, then the first MIS name complete row will be selected with their data. So I need to just select the Rajesh name with their data, and whenever your cursor will change like look like this one, so I will just drag this, and now this chart is converted for Varun. For third one, select the complete chart, then go to Rajesh name and make sure your cursor will looks like this, then drag it for Sanjit. Now you can see the 3 chart is for first one, second one and third one. Alright, now here you can see the blue portion is showing as score and the red portion is showing for something looks like this one. Alright, so I do not need to show this support column, so I will just double click on it, go to fill and make as no fill. For the second one, make as no fill. For the third one, make as no fill. Alright, now you can see your chart will looks like this one. Alright, to make this water drop, I will just use 100% for some time, so that my chart will looks like something better. So now you can see the chart is looks like this. Now to go to the next step, let's arrange the vertical and horizontal aligning. So I will just select the complete chart using Control then select, then go to format and then align it like middle and align it like distribute horizontally. Alright, now it's look like this one. Now to create this water drop I need to go to PowerPoint. So I will open PowerPoint. As you can see I have already opened. Then go to insert tab, go to shapes and take the rectangle shape and draw it like this one. Alright, now go to insert tab again, click on shape and take the icon which is teardrop. Alright, now drop. Alright, now I need to change the height and width from 2 by 2. So I will just select this chart and go to format tab and make it 2 by 2. Now you can see it will looks like this one. Now I need to rotate it to it look like water drop. So I will just right click on it, format shape, go to size and properties and make this size as minus 45 degree so that it will looks like this one. Alright, now then first select your rectangle, then go to format tab and make this shape fill as white color. Alright, now it's look like this one. Then select your teardrop and keep it inside this rectangle like this one. Alright, then select your complete chart icon, then go to format, click on merge shape and make it combine. Now it will looks like something this one. Alright, now click on shape fill and then make it color as white. Alright, now for the first one, as you can see in my Excel sheet, for first one is Rajesh and the second one is Varun and the third one is Sanjeet. So first will I change the color of every MIS name graph. So first one will be blue and the second one will be like I will just double click on it and change the color as whatever you can take, solid fill as orange and the third one is green. Any of the color you can take which you want. Then go to PowerPoint and for first one it is blue, so I will just take the outline of this chart is blue. Then select your, then right click on it like this one, make it copy and go to your Excel sheet and paste the here like this one. Now you can see the icon of this chart is showing, so I need to remove the outline of this rectangle. So I will just select it, go to format tab and crop it like this one. So that you can see whenever I will click on something everywhere, so the teardrop will looks like this one. Alright, now I need to adjust it, so I will just select it and make sure your teardrop as will be on first. Alright, and then adjust it like this one. Now you can see it looks like something this. Then again go to PowerPoint and make this shape outline as orange, then copy it, go to Excel, then right click on it and paste it as picture. Now again remove this outline from format tab. Alright, now adjust it for second one. Alright, now this outline is not removed, so first crop it like this one. Now adjust it again. Alright, now then remove this something little bit. Now it look like this. Then again go to PowerPoint sheet and make this shape outline as green. Then copy it, go to Excel sheet, paste over here as picture. Then remove the outline of this, so go to Format tab, click on crop, then remove little bit like this one. Then adjust it for third one. Alright, then alright, now your teardrop is ready. Whenever you will change the value of any MIS name, your graph will change like this one. If I will change the value from 65, you can see. If I will change the value from 91, it will look like. If I will change the value like 56, you can see. Now your chart is ready. Next, I need to add the data level for another one, so I will just go to Insert tab, take a text box, draw it, select your text box, click on formula bar, press is equal to, and select your score. Enter. Alright, now make the score font as impact, and then increase the font size as 28, make it bold, make it as impact. It will looks like something this one. Then select the text box, format shape fill as no fill, shape outline as no outline. Then keep it like this one. Then make the duplicate of it and keep it over here and select this one, go to formula bar. Now it is E4 because C4 because it is here. So I'll just press 4, then enter, make it duplicate for another one, and this one is C5. Then click on first one, click on format painter, then select one. Now it will looks like something different. Now select this one and align it, go to format, align it middle. Alright, now you can see it will looks like this. If I will change the value of anyone, so it will change automatically with their data level. You can see 25. Alright, now I need to add the shadow below every water drop so that it will looks like something 3D. So I will just go to Insert tab, illustration, shape, and I will take the oval and will draw it something like this, put it down over here, then select this oval, go to format, shape outline as no outline, right click on oval, format shape, and click on gradient. Then here you can see there is two stops. So on first stop, take the color as blue, and for the second one take the color as white. Alright, and make the transparency as 100%. Then it will looks like something different. So I will just select it, make it duplicate and keep over here, make it duplicate and keep over here. Then right click on it, format shape, and then change the color, gradient color for first one, which is orange. Alright, and now for the third one, right click on it, format shape, and take the first color as green. Alright, now it will looks like something different. Now I need to add the name of the MIS, so I will just go to Insert tab, then again I will take the text box, I will draw it, press is equal to in formula bar, then take the first name. It will looks like this one. Select your text box, then increase the font size, make it bold like this one. Select the text box, go to format, shape fill as no fill, shape outline as no outline, and make the font color as blue because the first one is for blue, and keep it over here. Alright, now make the duplicate for another one, then select it, make the duplicate for another one, then select, keep it. Select one, Now it is B4, so I will use B4. This is B5, then it is B5. Then take the format painter and this one, this one. Now change the font color as orange, now green. All right, now you can see it will looks like something this one. All right, now I need to add the line, so I will just go to insert tab, illustration, shape, and I will take a straight line. Press shift key and draw it. All right, now right click on it, format shape, and take the width as 1.5 and it end arrow size is like oval. All right, now click on this line and make the color shape outline as blue because it is for first one. Now keep it over here, then make the duplicate, then keep it over here, then change the shape outline color as orange and make the duplicate for another one and change the outline color as green. All right, now let's move little bit. All right, now your chart is ready. Now I do not need to show this support column, so I will just select it and make the font color as white. Now you can see our chart is ready. All right, I will change the value of any MIS name, then it will change or reflect in Waterdrop. So I will change it from 75, it will looks like this. If I change the 45, it will looks like this. Now it is amazing and beautiful, so you can make it easily this chart and share this video with your friends if you will like this. And if you will like this, please like it. If you did not subscribe my channel, subscribe it. And if you want to share these videos with your friends, so you can share it. And if you have any query regarding this video, so you can do the comments below of this video. I will meet you in next video with something different example, and we'll learn something amazing, something important, and something attractive. So till then,